things that you should always apologize for. If you're ignorant, if you're wrong, and you made a mistake, you should apologize, because that is what a does. But on the flip, let's talk about today that you should apologize for. You got one shot at life. You deserve, and the things that we're going to talk about is you've got no one to apologize for, because this is
your life. They've got their choices to make, and you
what's good for you. If you're into spice, dude, nobody's business to love. Do not bad. All shit. The second thing you should never apologize for is if after you start doing your research, apologize if that opinion is different from the mainstream media or popular beliefs. Apologize for your beliefs. This includes, gentlemen, if you believe something, own or your goals, right? And then what happens? We allow people's moms to squash our dreams and our goals. It doesn't align with what they want or what they think. It doesn't matter what your weird uncle brother. Why are you going to allow them? If they don't like it, you know what you can tell? You can tell them to go fuck us. You've got to be says you live a life. So I have never felt us as well. So I have never felt cock. What are you going to do? Are you going to take it? Are you going to be a victim, or are you going to take action and start protecting yourself? Because I had to actually go and file a police report and everything. I said, well, how did this happen? He goes, do you use like internet? I'm like, what do you mean do I use internet? I'm an internor, of course. He goes, no, like internet at like Starbucks, air places like that. I said, yeah, why? Oh, why? And he said, that's how a lot of these people access to your personal and private information.
You take your mask off?
What, take my mask off?
Did you take your mask off?
No.
We're trying to flatten the curve, dude.
What is your favorite male? How much?